You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
You got the right.
What's up, man? You got that thing playing? Let me do one of them. It's been a while since I seen you. What you been up to, man?
Not much. I think I broke the door already.
Fixed it. What you running here, man?
8 Brazilian Sound Gold V1s. They're the 12s on a MD12K.
Yeah.
Wired at 1.0.
The other one.
Yep.
There's one back there, I think.
Yeah, we're gonna eventually get them on 2.
Yeah.
I had it for a short period and then I had to do some things and pulled it out. So.
Yeah, we get back. We get back. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's part of it.
Spent my whole life running through red line. So we made a play at the check ride. Baby girl say she wanna stay tonight. Make good love that I can't hide. Biting on her neck with my hands around her waist. Bend it over, put that big old juicy booty in my face. Got a girl, I wanna down from toes to head. See your I'm pretty lady, go down, crazy, me a hubby, cut.
The sound of my friends behind my shoulder. Go like all that camping.
But what
Oh,
kind?
yeah.
There was version 1 right there?
Yeah, those are the V112s.
Yes, sir. You had 15s in there for one time. One time, that was always 12.
Yeah, always 12s.
You-
Always the V112s.
You just switched amps and stuff on them.
No,
They always been this?
yes. The difference is normally I was running like a port in one of the holes. 'Cause
Yeah.
I was, I was trying to see what was going on.
Yeah.
Just check and tune and see what all was working.
It was hitting them highs and lows
Oh yeah.
right there though.
Oh yeah.
It was painful a little bit compared to what it was. It was just windy at first.
Oh yeah. Yeah, and that was the ports. The
That was what
ports
it
was
was.
making it low, and I was trying to figure out what was going on with the low notes.
Yeah.
And I just said, you know what? By the time I get the second amp, I'm not even gonna know what the world really does. So
Yeah.
let's just go ahead and put
Just do
all
it.
of them in there and see.
You know what 2 amps is gonna do a whole lot more.
Yep.
How would that one on? Would they do a 4 or how would that be?
It's those are D4s. and
D4, yeah.
They're actually the D2 motors, but I got the D4 coils in them.
Yeah, you done customize them a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let them know where they can find you at, man.
You can find me at Quality Audio Entertainment on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, all of them.
Yeah, I know I tag them down below. That's good seeing you, bro.
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.